Hello, my people. Hola, mi gente. It's my birthday. Escape with the Style Travel on your birthday. We are celebrating in one of my favorite hotels here in Punta Cana, Lopesan Hotel. Of course, we're gonna be on personal vacation, but I have to work a little bit and I have to post in and keep updated about this stay this time too. I got here Josue and Wilfredo. Say hi, and they're gonna show me my room. So follow me, and we're gonna see. It's a 5357.
Welcome.
Welcome, right? You see, we have a beautiful bathroom, really huge, with a toilet.
And the shower.
And of course, the rain shower. We love the rain showers at the hotel.
Over here.
Hold on. Something we can miss for the ladies. The huge full mirror for the outfits. Items, board, sleepers, and bathroom. And of course, beach towels and bag.
Minibar and
What are you gonna show me?
safe. Minibar and safe. You have it here.
Perfect. See? Let me see what is on the menu bar. This is Canita beer from Punta Cana. Sprite and sodas. Coca-Cola.
The AC you have it here.
Okay. You see how you can see here we have two queen beds. So perfect for people, family, couple with kids, friends, girls getaway. Beautiful living room space. This hotel is really contemporary, it's modern, and really fresh also. I love the decoration here. And the huge, what is it?
Also the best one. You.
I told you when we started, this room is ocean view.
Look at this. Amazing.
It's just amazing. You can see so far away all the catamarans. You can go in the catamaran tours, and remember, we can book for you too. Follow me again. Stay tuned with the Escape with the Style Travel and my birthday. See you, people.